Hey guys, it seems like a lot of you do this assignment incorrectly, so I wanted to show you an example from a student that nailed it. Like, they just did awesome on this assignment. I know that a lot of you think that it's super awkward, but I'm not trying to make you feel awkward. Really, the idea is so that you understand the different glands and organs that are involved in reproduction. So, this one went with Sammy McQueen's first race. The main thing I'm looking for is that you are covering the glands that Sammy passes as well as Olivia. Okay? So you can see as you're going through here, they mention testes. In scrotum, I'm not even asking for you to mention scrotum, but they went to scrotum, which is where the testes are found. Their illustrations are awesome. Like, not asking for you to draw a penis, like just make it in your story. They happen to use a car. Okay, so then they went on to epididymis. That's where sperm are stored after they are produced in the testes. And then vas deferens. They're covering all the glands. I hope this is making sense to you. Let's see, and then we're going to seminal vesicle, Cowper's gland, the prostate gland, I think is mentioned as well. Anyway, so all these glands need to be mentioned in your story, as well as where Olivia comes from, which is the ovaries. She makes her way to the uterus. As you can see, they met, and then they mention, this is where a lot of people get doctor points. Make sure you mention where they go after fertilization. They do not grow in the fallopian tubes. They go back to the uterus and implant on the uterine wall, where they will grow, and eventually a baby will come out 9 months later. Hopefully that helps.